Hey everyone! Looking for the best cookware to make delicious vegetable curry at home? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 cookware products that are perfect for rich flavors, easy cooking, and long-lasting performance. From non-stick ceramic pans to durable stainless steel stockpots, these picks are ideal for home cooks, fitness fans, and kitchen tech lovers alike. Let's find your perfect curry cookware today. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart kitchen reviews.
Number 1. Green Pan Valencia Pro Ceramic Nonstick. The Green Pan Valencia Pro Ceramic Nonstick cookware is one of my favorite options for cooking vegetable curry because it combines healthy cooking with professional level performance. Its ceramic nonstick coating is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA, making it a safer choice for everyday meals. I really love how evenly this pan distributes heat, which helps prevent curry sauces from burning or sticking to the surface. Another huge advantage is its durability. The hard anodized body feels premium and strong, while the stainless steel handle gives excellent grip and comfort. Whether you're simmering spicy chickpea curry or sautéing vegetables, this cookware performs beautifully. It also works on induction cooktops and is oven safe, which adds flexibility for different recipes. Cleaning is incredibly easy, saving time after cooking. For anyone looking for healthy nonstick cookware for curry recipes, the Green Pan Valencia Pro is definitely a top contender.
Number 2. Lodge Cast Iron Dutch Oven 7 Quart. If you enjoy slow-cooked vegetable curry packed with deep flavors, the Lodge Cast Iron Dutch Oven is an amazing choice. This 7-quart Dutch oven is built from heavy-duty cast iron that delivers outstanding heat retention and even cooking. I personally love using it for large family meals because it keeps curry warm for a long time without losing flavor or texture. The pre-seasoned cast iron surface improves over time, making it naturally non-stick with proper care. It's perfect for simmering lentil curry, coconut curry, or spicy vegetable stew for hours. The sturdy construction makes it ideal for stovetop cooking, baking, and even outdoor cooking adventures. One thing that really stands out is the rich flavor development you get from cast iron cookware. The slow, even heat creates restaurant-quality curry dishes at home. For home cooks who want durability and authentic cooking performance, the Lodge Dutch Oven is a fantastic investment.
Number 3. Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set. The Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set is perfect for modern kitchens and stylish home cooks who want both beauty and performance. Right away, I noticed the sleek design and vibrant colors that instantly upgrade any kitchen setup. But beyond looks, this cookware set performs incredibly well for vegetable curry recipes. The ceramic nonstick surface allows ingredients to cook smoothly with less oil, which is great for fitness fans looking to prepare healthier meals. I also appreciate how evenly the cookware heats up, helping spices bloom perfectly without burning. From sautéing onions to simmering creamy curry sauces, everything cooks consistently. Another major benefit is the easy cleanup. Curry stains and sticky sauces wash away quickly, saving time after meals. The cookware is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for different kitchens. If you want premium ceramic cookware that combines style, safety, and cooking performance, the Caraway set is definitely worth checking out.
Number 4. All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Cookware Set. The All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Cookware Set is a premium choice for serious home cooks who want professional cooking results. This cookware is built with tri-ply bonded stainless steel and aluminum layers, delivering exceptional heat distribution and precise temperature control. When making vegetable curry, that even heating helps develop rich flavors without hot spots. I especially love how durable this cookware feels. Unlike standard non-stick pans, stainless steel can handle high heat and lasts for years with proper care. It's excellent for browning vegetables, toasting spices, and creating flavorful curry bases. The polished stainless steel finish also gives the kitchen a professional look. Another great feature is its versatility. These pots and pans work on all cooktops, including induction, and they're oven-safe for advanced cooking techniques. While stainless steel requires slightly more maintenance than nonstick cookware, the cooking performance is outstanding. For anyone wanting chef-quality cookware for curry recipes, All-Clad D3 is an excellent investment.
Number 5. Hex-clad Hybrid Nonstick Wok. The hex-clad Hybrid Nonstick Wok is one of the most innovative cookware options for vegetable curry lovers. What makes this wok unique is its hybrid cooking surface that combines stainless steel durability with non-stick convenience. I really enjoy using it for stir-fried vegetable curry because the wide cooking area provides excellent heat distribution and quick cooking performance. The laser-etched hexagonal surface helps protect the nonstick layer while giving better searing power than traditional nonstick pans. This means you can cook vegetables at higher temperatures without worrying about sticking or damage. It's perfect for fast curry recipes, spicy stir-fries, and healthy meal prep. Another thing I appreciate is its compatibility with induction cooktops and oven-safe design. The wok also feels lightweight compared to cast-iron alternatives, making it easy to handle during cooking. If you want versatile cookware that blends modern technology with practical cooking performance, the hex-clad hybrid wok is a fantastic option.
Number 6. NutriChef 12-quart stainless steel stockpot. For large batch vegetable curry cooking, the NutriChef 12-quart stainless steel stockpot is an excellent kitchen essential. This oversized stockpot provides plenty of space for soups, stews, lentil curry, and meal prep recipes. I especially like using it when cooking for family gatherings or preparing healthy meals for the week. The stainless steel construction offers strong durability and reliable heat distribution, helping ingredients cook evenly from top to bottom. Its large capacity makes it ideal for simmering curry with lots of vegetables, beans, and flavorful broth without overflowing. The transparent lid is also useful because it lets you monitor cooking without losing heat. Another great advantage is its compatibility with multiple stovetops, including induction cookers. The sturdy handles provide safe lifting even when the pot is full. Cleanup is straightforward, and the polished design looks professional in any kitchen. If you need a dependable stockpot for large curry recipes, the NutriChef stockpot is a great value choice. Thanks for watching my top 6 best cookware for USA vegetable curry review video. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect cookware for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Also, check the links in the description for prices and more details.